Okay.
Happy Monday, everybody.
Happy Monday. Just gonna move this around a second. All right, what are we gonna make today, Scarlett?
We're gonna make guacamole.
Guacamole. So,
They can hear me.
yeah, they can hear you. So we're gonna make some guacamole. I wanted needed something quick and easy, and I was thinking there might be some Halloween parties, and I know I have been looking at some Pinterest ideas and just different Halloween stuff, and I saw this really funny, like a small pumpkin that's carved, and out of its mouth is guacamole. So here's an idea. If anyone's doing a Halloween party, maybe you can do that. So you can make your own homemade guacamole and have it coming out of a pumpkin's mouth. Okay, so Scarlett, my helper, is here today. She is going to be helping with, what are you going to?
With the guacamole.
Yes. And so with guacamole, we need avocados. And this recipe is in my
And
cookbook.
I got my avocado right here.
Yeah, so go ahead and squeeze it in there. So this recipe is in my Feast as a Family cookbook. And just a little, oh, that's perfect. Okay, good job. Let's maybe get the seed.
Now can I get the other?
Uh-huh. My avocados were going bad, so I figured, okay, great. I'm glad it's a happy Monday. We have an idea. All right.
I'm not good, Mom.
Okay, that's fine. You want to get the other one in? Perfect.
And I want to get the other one in.
Yep. So I used 2 avocados, and I just juiced 1 lime. Now,
Mama.
yeah, hold on, let's squeeze the other one. I did forget,
I want to freeze it by myself.
I don't have any onions.
I want to freeze it.
Nice job. So we're just gonna do onion powder for right now, but
I also want to do
fresh onions is obviously better. Let me get this up.
And then I can do it.
Yeah. And keep at least one of the seeds from the avocado, because you're going to want to put that, after you kind of mix everything in, you're going to want to put it back in, and that helps prevent it from turning brown. I'm not saying 100%, but it does help. Okay, good. Good job. So I am usually not into, I like to keep things in 1 bowl, 1 spoon, but we're going to mash this avocado up a little bit more with my actual, I think it's an egg masher from Pampered Chef, but I love this thing. All right, and then, so we've got, great, hold on, how is it? Good so far? All right, so we've got 2 avocados in there. We're gonna put some salt in here. And you wanna pour this bowl in here? And then I've got cloves, not cloves, don't put cloves in there.
No.
I've got 2 cloves of garlic minced, and I put cumin in there as well. What? Does it sting a little bit? Oh, yeah, it's okay. So I put some cilantro in there, onion powder because I've ran out of fresh onion, and what else is there? Salt, garlic, cumin, cilantro, onion powder. Normally I would just have chopped up, like finely chopped up onions. And then we're going to add some, here, you want to put the tomatoes in? Then we're going to add, okay, pour the tomatoes in. Tomatoes right here. We're going to add some chopped tomatoes. Good.
Tomato, I want to undo it.
Okay, hold on, let me get it started and then you finish it, okay? And it's up to you if you more tomatoes, definitely feel free. Okay, you're gonna stir it some. And then that's it. So we've got some good Simple Mills almond flour crackers that we're gonna give it a try. Do you wanna try some?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think we're done with stirring. And you just taste test it, what you feel like needs more. What do you think? Does it need anything else? She gives it a thumbs up. So we're not gonna mess with it anymore. If it has a scarlet thumbs up, we're keeping it. So I'll put the seed back in that bowl and kind of stir it around a little bit. And like I said, if you've got one of those small little pumpkins that you can, for this weekend, and if you're having people over, you can carve out the mouth and have like guacamole going out on a tray. I'm gonna give it a try. I think it'll be fun, and if it messes up, who cares? It's Halloween. It doesn't have to be pretty. So Scarlett's getting a little snack before her lunch, but that is it. Thanks again for joining us on a quick Monday. Is there anything you would like to say?
I hope you have a good day.
We hope you have a great day and a great week. And if anyone makes that pumpkin idea with the guacamole, please shoot a picture, like submit it, or send it to our office or anything. But if I do it, I'm going to put a picture on our private Facebook page so someone can get a laugh from it. All right, well, everyone have a great day, and we are going to go have some lunch with guacamole.